Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Al-Fatlawi. I hope you have a wonderful Monday. Okay, so I decided to record this video so you can take your time, write things down, take some notes, and I will go over what we're doing for today. So please watch the whole video. Make sure that you don't stop in the middle because I want to show you around a couple of things in Google Classroom and Quizlet.com. All right, so today, for all of my hours, not just first hour, you're going under classwork, clicking on classwork. You're going to see week 4, Monday's assignment. We're going to start with the objectives. Okay, we have language objectives and content objectives. The first objective is students will be able to identify the meaning of grade level words by studying flashcards and Quizlet.com. Okay, students will identify the synonyms and antonyms of the vocabulary words through completing exercise A and B. Students will be able to apply the vocabulary words in sentences. Our language objectives for today and tomorrow, students will orally say the words and the meaning. Students will write the appropriate synonym and antonym for each vocabulary word. Students will discuss the appropriate use of vocabulary in the context of the sentence. So first of all, I want to make sure you understand the word synonym and antonym. Synonym is the same meaning. Antonym is the opposite meaning. Okay? All right. I also have a video that you are watching right now. You're going to write the vocabulary words and definitions in your notebook, and you're going to complete the exercise, which is exercise A. You will find everything at the bottom. It is a Google form quiz, and you're going to work on your power paragraph answering one question about trimester 1 unit theme. And I talked about that on Friday. All right, so you click first on Quizlet.com or where to go under Quizlet. All right, now it will show you lesson 1. This is what we're doing for this week, lesson 1. You have a couple of things on the left side. So the first one, you will see the words and then you can see the definitions. So the first word is aggravate. And the nice thing about Quizlet is that you can actually have them read the words and the definitions to you. If you don't know how to say a word, you click right here. Aggravate, verb to irritate or annoy, to make worse. Okay, you look at the picture. So this will definitely help you read and listen to the words. Okay, so for the first one, aggravate, you need to be writing this in your notebook. So number 1, aggravate, verbs, it's a verb, and it's to irritate or annoy, to make worse. If your brother aggravates you, that means they're annoying you. Okay, so the word is aggravate, and it means to irritate or annoy or to make worse. Please make sure you're writing this down. If I'm going too fast, pause the video, write the words and the definitions down, and then continue. Next word is comprehend. To comprehend is to understand, to fully understand, and that is verb. Okay? I understand what my teacher is saying. I comprehend what my teacher is saying. The next word is cower. And to cower is to crouch and tremble, to shrink back in fear because of pain. So sometimes the cat could cower if she sees a stranger. The next word is endure. Endure. Endure is a verb to last, to continue to exist, to put up with or bear, to show lasting strength. So you need to write all of those definitions down. So if something endures a long period of time, that means it lasts a long period of time. But if you endure pain, you experience pain, you face pain for a long time. So I had to endure, for example, a headache for a week or something like that. The next word is frugal. Frugal. And frugal is thrifty, not wasteful. So you don't want to waste something and throw it in the trash. It becomes frugal, useful. Okay? Useful. And it's an adjective, it describes something. The next word is futile. Futile. Futile is an adjective, useless, worthless, or hopeless, not effective. You can see this cup is futile. It is not useful because, it's not a normal cup. It could be something that's damaged, like a chair, a broken chair. It becomes futile. It's not useful anymore. The next word is immense. Immense or immense is large, huge, enormous. You can see the man carrying an enormous or an immense fish. The next one is insufficient, insufficient, not sufficient, not enough, not as much as needed. And that is an adjective. Laborious, laborious. Laborious means it requires a lot of labor and hard work. It is an adjective involving or requiring labor or much hard work. It is difficult. Malice. Malice means the desire to harm another person. You can see that this is a malice person right there. She's malice. She's harmful. And she's trying to hurt Snow White. So malice is a harmful person. Parasite could have two meanings. A parasite is a plant or animal that lives on or within another form, and it gets its food from the thing that it's living on. So it's basically like parasite is like a bacteria that lives on other things, and it could harm you. Predicament. Predicament is the way you say it. Predicament is a noun, a difficult or unpleasant situation. So the cat is going through a predicament, a hardship right now. There's something stuck to her head. She's going through a difficult time. And the word again is predicament. Predicament. Scoff. Scoff is to scold, to scorn, to look down on, or make fun of someone or something. So if you tease someone, you are actually scoffing them. So it's not a good thing to scoff other people for the way that they look. So scoff means making fun of someone or looking down on them. Trivial, trivial means not important. It's an adjective, not valuable or important. So I could say, for example, the last question is trivial. This is just to get your attention. It's not very important. It's trivial. Unanimous is when everyone agrees on the same thing. So, in complete agreement, the whole class unanimously agreed on playing a game today. Okay, so that is called unanimous. All right, so you can do a couple of things here. You can play around. You can look at the test and practice the test. You can spell it. You can write it. You can do gravity games. It's a lot of fun. Anytime you have free time, make sure that you're practicing on Quizlet. So once you practice and you have all of those words written down in your notebook, you're going back to Google Classroom, and then you're going to continue the quiz that you will see here, which is under the classwork under Monday. And then you will have a quiz at the bottom, and then the theme of courage. So I want to go over that for people that missed the class on Friday. So basically, if you look at the directions, you are only choosing one question. What is courage? Why is it important to be courageous? Does it take courage to do the right thing? Can you feel fear and still have courage? You pick one question and then you type your whole paragraph right here at the bottom. It's not a one sentence, it's a whole paragraph. And make sure you are not bolding this. You are just regularly typing this 12-point font. Okay, when you finish this, you submit it, and then we will review it on Wednesday and Thursday.